Reinvent your door lock with WeLock. A safer, smarter, more convenient way to secure your home. Your finger is your key. WeLock is the keyless smart lock you can access by fingerprint, remote control, and smartphone app. Simply register your fingerprint, and you'll never search for your keys again. Easily share door access from anywhere without having to pass on a key. You can even open the door while your hands are tied. And with backup access, you never need a locksmith, even during power or battery emergencies. Installation is easy and fits all US and European standard locks. Unlock your smart home life with WeLock.
Imagine a product that could help bolster your home security, add mood to a movie night, and even help your kids drop off to sleep. That product is the Anywhere Smart Adapter, the world's smartest and smallest lamp socket adapter. A device that enables advanced lighting control and dimming, features temperature, humidity, sound, and ambient light sensors, and can automate your functionality based on geofencing. The power of Anywhere Smart Adapter is harnessed through the accompanying app, which is designed to be easy enough for everyone in the household to use. It also comes with a set of built-in scenes that are focused on solving meaningful needs in people's everyday life. The Anywhere Smart Adapter couldn't be easier to set up and install. Once the app is downloaded and configured, simply connect the Anywhere Smart Adapter with a suitable LED bulb and fit it into your lamp. It's powered by the mains electricity, then pairing takes just a few moments.
Introducing Griffin, a revolutionary Wi-Fi system that acts as a digital gatekeeper for the truly connected family. Unlike existing solutions, Griffin pairs power with simplicity. Just download the app, pair it with your Griffin router, and you're ready to view and manage all the connected devices in your home. With screen time management, you can easily balance internet time with family time. Griffin also allows you to set specific filter levels for each child in your home. When you're unsure if a site is appropriate or not, simply use Crowd Ranking, Griffin's aggregated approval ratings. Griffin doesn't only protect your children from unfavorable areas of the internet, it protects you and your entire home from unwanted intrusions, ransomware, and viruses. But Griffin is more than the protector of your digitally connected home. It's the guardian of human connections that happen inside. A reminder to set down the screens and to take in the smiles. Griffin, love the connection.
Why choose one decor when you can turn your wall into an interactive canvas? Meet Scribit, the world's first write and erase robot that creates a different image whenever you want. 2 nails and a plug is all you need to install Scribit. And thanks to the app, it's always connected. Create an image or source it from the web, then upload it to the app and Scribit will reproduce it on your wall within minutes. And if you get tired of the design, no worries. Scribit will just erase it and you can start over again. You can connect Scribit to your favorite apps and show you the latest news and weather forecast, or even your Twitter updates. Any surface is game, whiteboard, glass, or standard plaster. And with 4 color options, the possibilities are endless. The only limit is your imagination.
finding yourself fully lost in the action in the game with full blast volume, and you hear baby crying because the TV was too loud. High-quality audio delivered to your Bluetooth headphone is your answer. WAND, the Bluetooth transmitter developed to not only solve the problem but give you a little extra than the product you can find on the market. Honored by the 2018 CES Design and Innovation Award, we aim to provide the optimal home entertainment experience. WAND can stream any audio from TV, game console or audio hi-fi directly to two of your Bluetooth headphone at the same time. WAND also supports 3 audio inputs, including auxiliary, USB and optical, allowing connection to TV and 2 other devices simultaneously. WAND supports aptX low-latency technology technology to ensure your video and audio is perfectly synced, so no more lip-sync delay. With WAND, you no longer need to worry about disturbing others while watching sports, TV series, movies or playing games. Maximize the home entertainment experience and enjoy your intimate quality time.
ISBE is the ultimate tool to increase your productivity on the go. It allows you to stay in your home network from wherever you are, making all the things you can do from your home or office network possible from anywhere around the world. Don't waste time and money for others to manage your data. Just access your server, NAS, or any other IoT devices at home through ISBE. It's not just incredibly convenient, it's absolutely safe too. ISBE does not use any incoming router ports. All third-party cloud and P2P software is completely out of the equation, and it protects your data with end-to-end military-grade encryption. This makes your data transfer faster, more reliable, and completely private. You can also improve team productivity by inviting others to join your network. When you're outside the US, you can still access popular websites, applications, and internet services through ISBE, even if they aren't available at your destination. You are not affected by VPN restrictions, as ISBE does not use VPN protocols, meaning you can enjoy complete internet freedom wherever you are. ISBE can link up multiple local networks to create a wide area network, making it the ultimate secure collaboration tool. ISBE simplifies remote IT management and the way networks communicate with each other at less than a fraction of the cost. ISBE is also compatible with all Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android devices without any configuration needed. Set it up in 3 easy steps. Connect the Ethernet cable, download the app, and log in. It's ISBE, the only device that gives you true internet freedom on the go.
We believe your values are worth protecting. So let's get rid of bad TV ads, ones that don't reflect your values, interests, or lifestyles. Like seeing a hamburger ad when you're a vegetarian. The time is now for you to take control over TV ads. Here at Filtry, we protect your values, interests, and lifestyles by empowering you to set limits on TV ads. We put you and your family first. No more questions about erectile dysfunction from your 5-year-old. No more beer ads from your underage teenager. And no more sexual ads for your young children. You simply no longer need to worry about offensive or inappropriate ads being shown to your family. We have made Filtry incredibly user-friendly and very easy to set up. We work between your TV set and service by filtering out inappropriate or offensive ads. Simply create a profile and let Filtry do the rest. Our service is free, and we work across cable, satellite, and even streaming services. Through a simple interface, just pick what type of ads you don't want. You can even select positive messages to show, ones that reinforce your values. That's it. You're all set. We automatically filter out inappropriate ads by enforcing your rules. With Filtry, we want you to rest easy, knowing your family is protected from harmful ads, even if you're not around. Filtry is always on your side by protecting you and your children from inappropriate ads and showing positive messages that you choose. We make ad time your time.